Rapidly changing disease trends. Seoul, the dynamic capital city of Korea, is at the center of the Great Fourth Industrial Revolution. For over a century, Samyuk Medical Center is still a worthy and reliable guardian, protecting the health and happiness of the people all year round. Over 1,000 medical professionals in 28 medical departments with 433 beds are working hard daily to battle deadly diseases plaguing the world today. We have installed the latest medical devices and systems through bold investments in order to better respond to rapidly changing diseases. In line with the Fourth Industrial Revolution, we have established a disease analysis and telemedicine service system through advanced AR and VR. Samyuk Medical Center is being reborn as a hospital for all citizens. Samyuk Medical Center's specialized center has been a leader in multidisciplinary and patient-centered treatments by analyzing the cause of diseases and preparing solutions according to changing trends of diseases. The 24-hour cardiovascular center in particular has been selected as a premier institution for acute myocardial infarction treatment since 2011. And since 2013, it has been selected as a first-class medical institution for cardiac coronary artery bypass surgery. The Gastrointestinal Endoscopy Center conducts 40,000 tests and procedures every year by 5 specialized physicians with the highest level of expertise. The Dialysis Vascular Center consists of medical staff specializing in cardiothoracic surgery, nephrology, and vascular surgery and is open 24 hours a day. And the Integrated Cancer Center is achieving breakthrough results for various metastatic cancer patients. In addition, there is the International Medical Center specializing in foreign patients, a visa examination center for overseas visa issuance, and a postpartum care center to provide various and comprehensive medical services. In 2018, an arrhythmia clinic was established in order to drastically improve healthcare capabilities, and in partnership with the Washington Adventist Medical Center in the United States, we have launched a heart rehabilitation program. With unwavering devotion, Samyuk Medical Center will lead the way toward a healthier future. Samyuk Medical Center has been faithful in its duty for Korea and her people. It was designated a national safety hospital for the first time as it swiftly responded to a national crisis through a state-designated negative pressure room expansion project during the early stages of the COVID-19 pandemic. It further quickly established a clean, safe treatment system without any concerns of infection by operating screening clinics and isolation beds. Samyuk Medical Center has grown considerably over the past century and has fulfilled its desire for a better world. After the installment of state-of-the-art medical devices, expansion of facilities, training of human resources, and painstaking research, the results were simply remarkable. The small grain of wheat, which first took its root in a small log cabin on a barren land, has now grown into a stellar medical institution. Along with this growth, it maintained a constant composition through medical service in the remote regions of Korea and introduced the American-style intern training program for the first time in Korea in the 1950s as a center of domestic medical development. A nursing school was established to foster and accelerate the training of medical personnel. During this time, it was honored as the Korean President's Hospital as President Syngman Rhee and First Lady Young Soo-yuk selected one of its doctors as their primary care physician. Since 1957, Samyuk Medical Center has been designated as the first U.S. visa physical examination center in Korea and has gained much global recognition. In order to improve the overall health of the nation, a pulmonary tuberculosis ward was opened in 1937, establishing a new era in national health and hygiene. It has been a federally certified medical institution for the past 12 years and ranked in the top 15% in terms of medical quality evaluation among general hospitals nationwide. The Postpartum Care Center is a haven for mothers who are fully devoted to the care of their newborn. As an excellent institution for evaluating long-term care, it operates a nursing home with 120 beds using a highly advanced unit care system. In the spirit of love and service, it is also operating a funeral home with 13 premium incense rooms and amenities and high-quality funeral service programs. The hospital further actively provides psychological support, rehabilitation, and social adaptation through the Medical Social Welfare Office. Far beyond its national borders, Samyuk Medical Center is now going global. It has established a global network with 180 sister hospitals in 52 countries to share medical technologies and work together to operate 450 clinics, making it the world's largest health and welfare relief medical network. With service as its core mission for the past 113 years, Samyuk Medical Center has instilled hope in the hearts of not only Koreans, but everyone around the world. Samyuk Medical Center has served the people of Korea for well over a century as a medical missionary hospital, even surviving the Japanese colonial era. The greatest strength behind cultivating, protecting, and developing the hospital was the spirit and love of Jesus Christ. Samyuk Medical Center is now delivering the love of Christ to the world far beyond its national borders. What stands before all the high-tech medical equipment and stellar healthcare system is our customers, our patients. A hospital where the patients always comes first. A hospital where everyone wants to work. A hospital where everyone wants to be treated. Samyuk Medical Center will embrace you with open arms and provide care with a warm heart. Leaving the first century behind us, we humbly look forward to another 100 years. We are committed to strengthening our solidarity through constant change and innovation, and secure competitiveness through efficient and sound management. We will passionately look to the future, being ever more equipped with the spirit of the service and sacrifice of Christ. A place where the best medical professionals are born. A place where you have a companion for life. A place where the future looks bright. The outcome of the bold challenges and highly efficient management system will be a great benefit to both medical workers and patients at Samyuk Medical Center. We will humbly stand with the same spirit of all the missionaries who had planted the seeds of humanity a century ago. Samyuk Medical Center, a health paradise full of Christ's love.